In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Holafly app on Android. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end, you'll have the app ready to use. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This app is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. The Google Play Store is the official marketplace for Android apps, ensuring that you have access to safe and reliable downloads. Once you find the icon, tap it to open the store. You will see a wide array of apps, games, and other digital content. This step is crucial because you need to access the Play Store to download the Holafly app securely. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Google Play Store. This bar is where you can input the name of the app you want to find. Type in Holafly carefully. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This feature helps you quickly locate the app you're looking for. It's important to ensure you spell it correctly to avoid confusion with similar apps. After entering the name, press the search button on your keyboard. This action will take you to the results page where you can find the Holafly app. Now select the official Holafly International eSIM app published by Holafly. You can identify the official app by looking for the developer's name listed below the app icon. This is an important step because downloading the official app ensures that you receive the latest updates and features directly from the developer. Once you find the app, tap on it to view more details. You will see screenshots, user reviews, and more information that can help you decide if this is the right app for you. Next up, tap the Install button. This will initiate the download and installation process. You might see a pop-up requesting permissions that the app needs. It's essential to review these permissions to understand what access the app requires. Tapping Install will start downloading the app onto your device. This step is significant because it sets the stage for using the Holafly app, which provides convenient eSIM services for international travelers. Once the installation is complete, you will see a notification confirming that the app has been installed successfully. After that, you can find the Holafly app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on the app icon to open it for the first time. You may need to go through some initial setup such as creating an account or logging in. This initial setup is vital because it prepares your app for use and ensures you can access all features seamlessly. As you progress through the setup, keep an eye out for any tips or tutorials within the app that can help you get started. With that done, you are now ready to explore the Holafly app and its features. This app is designed to make your travel experience smoother by providing easy access to eSIM services. Enjoy the convenience and benefits it brings. Thank you for following along, and happy travels.